Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is ILINCA and today I'm super excited because look what came in the mail. The January 2020 BOXYCHARM box, and we're going to be unboxing it. And in the same box we also got this free gift. So it's something that BOXYCHARM lets you choose now, an additional gift of your choice. So for those who don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it's a monthly subscription of $25 a month, and you get 5 full-size products in here. And the box has a value of around 125 or more. So you only pay 25, but the box is valued 125 or more. So let's go ahead and see this palette. This palette is called Essentials, and it is by the Pro Series Violet Voss. So let's open it and see. Oh wow, look at this. Wonderful colors. Let's swatch some of this. I really like this green here. Let's see here. Oh, look at this beautiful green. And also this purple. Look at this, and this gold. Look at these colors, beautiful colors. I can't wait to try this palette. Now let's go open the box. So this is what the box looks like. So it comes with let's see the products. It comes with this little pamphlet, and it says the theme is breaking the ice. And on the back, it has all of the products that are inside with the price amounts. So let's go ahead. So the first thing we're gonna get is this big heavy thing, and this is the Too Faced Diamond Light Highlighter. Oh, I'm so excited. And this has a value of $36, so it's already more than what the box is worth. So let's just open this and see. Oh, it has a thing that we have to cut here. Let's see. Wow, look at this. This is such cool packaging. It says it's your time to shine inside right here. It's your time to shine. Too Faced. I'm so excited. Look, it's like a little jewelry box. Let's see how to open this. This is gorgeous. So let's see. Let's. Gorgeous highlighter. I can't wait to use it. There you go. So this is the first product. Let's go to our second product here in the box. Let's try this one here. And this is, I wonder what this is. TRESTIQUE. It is Good Vibes Mascara. It's a nice mascara. I wonder how you use this. And this is worth, the value is $25 for this. The TRESTIQUE Good Vibes Mascara. It says treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and voluminizing fun with your new TRESTIQUE Good Vibes Mascara. This is all-in-one lash curler tool plus lash enhancing mascara, which gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. Very, very nice. So let's open it here. It says flip down. So there you go. You flip down. So with this, you curl your lash. Has like a little tool. And it's also a mascara. Let's see. It has a pretty nice black. It's a black mascara. This is so cool. So cute, look. To curl your eyelashes. Very nice. The next product in the box is, what is this? It's the Wonder Beauty Trip for Two Blush and Bronzer Duo. This is how the package looks like. And this has a value of $36. Okay, so this is says prepare for the perfect getaway with a Trip for Two. The soft matte blush and bronzer cheek duo blend seamlessly onto skin to deliver a naturally glowing complexion. Wow. So let's open it and see. Let's take it out of the box. Look at this. Such nice material on top. Now I'm gonna open it this way and see. Look at this. So, oops, the foil fell off. So this is the Bellini blush, and this is the Costa Re bronzer or highlighter, however you want to use it. Very nice. It comes with a mirror. Beautiful. Love it. The next thing in our package is this little guy, and this is by AVANT Shea Butter Rich Brand Panthenol Polydecine, which is an 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. And this is, the value of this is $107 for this. 107. It says the 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Oh my goodness. Value of $107. This is expensive. Can't wait to try it. And the last thing in our box is a palette. This is what I look forward to the most. This is how it looks like. It's blue and gold. Super cute. And this is Ace Beauty Vintage Down. And this has a value of $34.99. And this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. And each color has been carefully miled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. I love eyeshadow palettes. My favorite things to get in these boxes are eyeshadow palettes, any type of palettes, highlighter palettes, and I also love to get brushes, all kinds of brushes. Oh, let's rip this off here. Okay, and this is how the palette looks. Look. Let's open it. Oh my goodness, look at this. Let's take the foil off. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? Look at all these colors. Oh, I can't wait to use them. I'm gonna make a video and make a look with all these colors. It's so exciting. And it has a big mirror. Beautiful. Look at this. Let's look at this purple one here called Sky. Wow, this is gorgeous. Look at this purple. Can't wait to use it. And with this sparkly blue called Dew. Look at this. Can't wait to make a look with this one. Let's try this orange one. And the name is Horizon. Let's see where we can put it. Look at this. Very pigmented, very creamy, no fallouts. Love it. Yes, so I guess that's it. So we got our eyeshadow palette, our bronzer and highlighter palette, the additional palette that I chose in the beginning, and the Too Faced highlighter, the cool mascara with this cool lash curler all in one, and the most expensive in this, the sleeping mask. I can't wait to try them all. So thank you guys for watching. I guess this is valued of almost over $200. But next time I'm gonna get my calculator and we're gonna calculate everything. 100, 160, 190, over $200 for sure. So I grabbed my calculator and the total value is $238.99. So I paid $25 per month and the total value is $238.99 for all of this products. That is awesome. Breaking the ice. So yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button if you want to be notified for my next videos, especially the BOXYCHARM videos, which I'm going to be doing every month. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.